video. So for today, I just want to share with you how good is my God, how good the Lord is. Because today, sobrang prepared ako. I woke up early so that, I could prepare sa pagpasok in my class, ganyan. And then, to my surprise, pagpasok, reporter din kasi ako today, together with my groupmates. And to my surprise talaga, biglang sinabi ng prof namin na last meeting na namin sa kanya today, and we don't have to give a report na, and then just give narrative na lang daw. And thankful din ako sa time na binigay ni Lord kasi I was able na rin to provide yung narrative namin. So, grabe lang yung love ni Lord for today sa akin. Sobrang, siguro pumasok lang kami to for attendance lang talaga, and then ayun na, nag-dismiss na, and I'm actually grateful for that. Siguro yung iba nagre-reklamo sila kasi nagsayang ng pamasahe and all, pero hindi na rin naman kasi yun hawak ng jurisdiction ko rin or ng prof ko din, kasi syempre may mga circumstances talaga and situation na mangyayari. And sobrang grateful lang din ako sa Lord kasi I think this day nilaan niya for me to be able to rest din. Hindi lang din physically, siguro most importantly is mentally and emotionally. Kasi syempre, mahirap naman mag-report when you're not mentally and emotionally ready. So, oh God, thank you so much. And I pray na later, pag uwi ko, is I will be able to do pa yung mga other tasks at home, of course, and mga life responsibility. So, right now, nandito ako sa Starbucks because I believe it's deserve ko rin ng me time. And I think this is just also a reminder for everyone na no matter how busy you are, dapat you still have time for yourself. Kahit na mura lang yung bilhin nyo, like kahit na fishball lang yan, or coffee, or kahit na yung pinaka-cheap sa menu yung piliin nyo, anything to give yourself a break from everything. And I think lahat naman tayo deserve yun kasi lahat naman tayo may pinagdadaanan sa buhay. So, deserve natin yung mga ganun. Hindi naman natin kailangan ng grand gestures. Kailangan lang natin i-acknowledge yung ating self kasi yun ang pinaka dapat na important, self-care and self-love na mayroon tayo. So, grateful ako for the Lord for this day kasi inuno niya ako ng kaniyang pagpapala, everything with His love, faithfulness, and goodness. Hallelujah to the King of Kings. So, as you can see guys, I have my baon here sa Starbucks. This is not sponsored by the way. It's just to show na wala kang dapat ikahiya kung wala namang nakakahiya sa ginagawa mo, diba? So, ayun, I have baon and then I bought lang yung kanilang Gaze donut. It's nice. You should try guys. Life guys, it's so wonderful to appreciate life